$382. Well, great guys, 725 on our balance, $5,670. Hello there my dear friends, my name is Vladimir and I welcome you to the Russian Traders channel. Today we're gonna trade, analyze and earn some really huge profits. So get ready and make sure you leave a thumbs up because this one is gonna be really hot. So let's go straight to trading.
Russian trader, feel his Russian style.
So right now what I will do is set up the workspace. Let's choose the indicators first. Okay, here we have fractal, zigzag. Okay, a rune, yeah, very good. Okay guys, here is our first trading pair. Right now I'm opening a down trade, okay, a sell trade. So right now if you take a look at the Arun indicator, which is at the bottom, you will see that here we have a down going trend at the moment. However, it is actually right now for both, for buyers and for sellers. Well, if you take into consideration the fractal indicator as well, you will see that right now we have, and zigzag of course, you will see that we have here down going trend at the moment, okay, and the trend is still in process, which means that we picked a really very good time for opening a sell trade over here. So all we have to do right now is to wait a bit, to be patient. Don't forget about it. This is one of the golden rules of a trader, okay? Be patient and just let's wait a bit until we see what will happen to our first trade over here for today. Okay. Okay, the trade is closed, $100, like zero profits, well, which is not bad actually. Just, you know, these milliseconds, they play a huge role over here, especially on high volatility markets. It's better than nothing. Let's take a look at another one pair. Alright, let's see what do we have here. Right now I'm opening a sell trade over here as well, and basically what's happening, guys, if you take a look at the Arun indicator, and this is the very first thing you should look at when you are trading, guys, you should look at the indicators. That's not just games, okay? If once you understand indicators, you can read these graphs like an open book, okay? So once you take a look at the Arun right now, you will see that we have pretty strong downgoing trend over here, because this one red line is on top at the moment, meanwhile the green one is at the bottom, which means that the sellers are taking the market at the moment. All right, so basically what else can I can say here? Fractal, if you take a look at fractal as well, you will see that we're still going down, and zigzag is also telling us, I mean this line telling us about the downgoing trend. So in summary, all these trends are telling us that we have pretty obvious, pretty strong and clear division down, which means that we have picked a very right moment over here. And great, we got another one trade close, $382. Well, this one is really not bad. 382 on our balance, which means that 182 on our balance is already in plus. Pretty good beginning of the Traders Day, guys. Try to change my mind in comments, but make sure, guys, you leave your thumbs up right now, because what's gonna happen next, I feel it with my heart that right now it is gonna be hot. Okay guys, let's take a look at another one trading pair. Okay, here what I can say, interesting situation. Right now, do you see this green candle forming at the moment? This is telling us about the beginning, okay, opening a buy trade, okay, this is telling us about the beginning of the change of the trend right now. It was the previous green candle, pretty small one, right? Nothing special, but here we have another one, and right now another one candle which will be formed. Most probably it will be another one green candle. And why do I know it? Because I have enough practice and knowledge, guys. And if you want to get enough knowledge and practice, all you have to do is to follow the link down below. Here I have my Telegram channel where I grab all the useful information connected to trading, guys, absolutely free. So take it, use it, apply it, make huge profits. I will be happy for you, okay? So make sure you take a look at what's happening over here in my Telegram channel. And here, as I told you guys, here we have already forming another one green candle at the moment. And if you take a look at the Arun, we have here it was actually the moment in 22-28, right, when the trend started to change, okay? So we have this green line starting to grow and red line starting to fall, and we got the trade closed with plus profits. All right, we have already 725 on our balance. Pretty good, guys. Make sure you leave a thumbs up if you like what's happening over here, and we are moving on to the next one trade. Alright guys, here is another one trading pair. Let's take a look what's happening over here right now. Alright, interesting. Let's set up the amount first. Let's set up the amount. 725, okay. Right now I'm opening a sell trade over here, guys. Opening a sell trade. If you take a look at the Arun is very good, okay. I like Arun because it's give us Of course, not 100%. None of these indicators will give you 100% of understanding alone, okay? You should also consider them in company, all right? So if you take a look at the arrow right now, you will see that right now we have a very strong division down, I mean downgoing trend, okay? Over here, this red line is a pretty obvious signal. Meanwhile, fractals is also telling us that right now the division will go down, because here we definitely will not have any green fractals formed. We'll only have another one red fractal formed right now at the moment, because the candles are going down as well, pretty obvious. And in common, in summary, this is giving us a pretty clear picture, okay, of what's happening on the market here right now, guys. And what is happening, basically, you see it by yourself. We have here a pretty obvious division down, and we got a trade closed. Wonderful. 1341. Great. 1341 on our balance right now. Well, not bad, right? Well, guys, let me quickly remind you about the Telegram channel. If you still haven't checked it, do it after this one video, because alright, except as for theory, right, which is absolutely free, I'm reminding you guys, there you will find the signals for trading, because I want you guys not only to absorb theory, I want you to practice, guys, and I want you to practice for free. So there you will find signals on a daily basis, which will help you trading and practice your knowledge, okay? So take a look at what's happening over here down below, and we're moving on to the next one trade. So yes, okay, what do we have over here? What do we have? Upgoing trend, opening a buy trade as well. Well, yeah, here, if you take a look at the arrow indicator, you may say that nothing special, but this is not the only thing you should look at, okay? Here, if you take a look at the fractals as well, you will see that the beginning of the change of the trend is already started, okay? We are already in a rebound right now. We can say here we have green fractal starting to form right now, which is also a signal of upgoing trend, okay? I mean, after the trend was going down, because the previous division here was down, okay? And right now we're still considering how the green candles are forming right now at the moment, and which means that the buyers are taking the market at the moment. Let's just wait a bit, let's be patient, guys, because patience is highly important here for markets, especially high volatility markets. That's one of the reasons why I like high volatility markets. You also are, you know, in action, you also should analyze and stuff. Oh, we got a trade close. $2,400. Well, not bad, guys. Make sure you not only look what's happening, okay, over here, guys. Make sure you're mesmerized, because here these situations are repetitive. All the situations are repetitive. Of course, you will never face 100% same situation to what was happening already, but the patterns are pretty same, guys. And as for patterns, you will also find info in my Telegram channel. Just make sure you check it. Link is down below, okay? Here we are taking a look at another one trade right now. We have here Australian dollar to the US dollar, okay? Okay, I think that right now we will go down, guys, because here we are in overbought zone right now. The market needs to cool off, definitely. The market will need to cool off, guys. If you take a look, it was the previous, how many? Okay, here 20 minutes. The previous 20 minutes, it was higher heights, higher lows, right? Which is the pretty clear signal of the upgoing trend. Right now, the arrow at the moment is on top. I mean, the buyers are on top. Too suspicious, guys. Too suspicious, and there is no reasons of continuation of the trend to grow up, okay? So the market, I think the market right now is overbought, in an overbought zone, and definitely will need to cool off. So I'm almost 100% sure that right now we will go down, and the division will go down. And what about us? We will make really huge profits right now, because you're on the Russian Traders channel, guys. Vladimir, I'm here to help you out with trading. 46.60, bang, the trade is closed. That's really what I like. Yeah, I love my job, guys. I love my job, and I hope you too. And if you're fond of trading, and if you're just starting out or you're already practicing, no matter, check out the link down below to my Telegram channel. Much useful information over there, personal from me, okay? And maybe one more. Yeah, I think we can manage one more trade. Let's take a look what's happening. Another one pair. Okay, guys. Okay, let's set the amount. 3,000, I guess, will be enough for us. Yeah, the max trade 3000. Okay, I'm opening a buy trade at the moment, guys. Here, listen carefully. Here, Arun. Okay, this red line right now is down going. We pretty clear see it. Upgoing trend on green line, which is for buyers, starting to grow. Okay, here we had lower lows, lower highs last. How many? Last 15 minutes, okay, on a graph, I mean, and right now we have extremely high division up, which is signifying us about the change of the trend, and right now the reverse of the trend, and we are pretty clear a picture over here that the trend is growing up right now at the moment, because the last 4 candles were from green, higher highs, higher lows. Well, that's why basically I love fractals and I love Arun, because they are giving maximum close to the reality picture. Okay, of course, never 100%, never 100%. You should you should know it. Okay, never 100%, but they assume. Okay, and we got the trade close, $5,670. Great, guys, $7,300 on our bank account right now, on our user account, I mean. Well, not bad, not bad. What do you think? Leave your comments. If you have any questions, by the way, leave your comments, guys. I will be happy to answer all of them. I'll try at least. This was Vladimir, Russian Traders channel. Make sure you take a look at my Telegram channel. If you're about trading, you definitely will love it, okay? And make sure you leave a thumbs up and subscribe, because you definitely don't want to miss my future videos. See ya!
Russian trader, feel his Russian style.